What's going on, everybody? This week we're going to be preparing an Australian Wagyu New York strip steak. To start, season both sides of the steak with salt and pepper. After that, cover it and let it sit in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Take your steak out of the fridge 30 minutes before cooking it. This will yield you a much nicer sear. I'm going to coat my cast iron skillet with a generous amount of olive oil. Once the pan is hot, gently lay your steak on it away from you and just take a second to enjoy the mesmerizing sound of the sizzling. Once the first side has a nice sear on it, flip it and then add in about 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 cloves of garlic, then baste. Make sure to also cook the sides and to render the fat. Once it's done, let the steak rest for 5 to 10 minutes. This will yield you a juicier and more tender final product. To cut it, I'm going to first remove the sorted calf muscle and then slice the steak against the grain. Now this piece that I'm showing you is pure fat, so make sure to not eat it. Anyways, thank you for watching and stay tuned.